Hey guys, it's Andrea, and today I'm coming at you with this week's new releases. Let's go ahead and jump into it because I have a lot of really cool things to show you guys. The first one here is a vinyl. I'm testing out a different new manufacturer, and I wanted to order something, just a kind of a small run to test. So I do have some of these SPC logos in pink, and I thought they were super cute if you want to stick them on a water bottle, on your binder, in your planner. And again, we do have a limited amount of these, but I think they're super cute, and I love the pink color. I do have some more doodles this week. You guys seemed to really like these last week and gave me lots of great suggestions for sheets. A lot of them I actually already have done and ready, and I'm just going to be releasing 10 a week, and I am hyped. So let's go ahead and go through them. So you do have the magical castle, the magical passport, the magical backpack, the magic band, and then there's two different ear options. So you have the black and then the pastel. There is the maps. There is some magical burgers in the normal colorway, the small world faces, and then also just a cute little frappuccino drink. So those are all of the doodles for this week. Then let's go into the quote boxes that I have to release. I've been waiting to release these. They were about a month and a half later than I thought they would be, but I still think they came in enough time to use them. So this one is a Mother's Day, so it comes in the main core foils, and these are the quotes on the front. Super cute. I tried to pick kind of like a variety. And then this one here is a spring quote boxes, again in the 4 main foils. So pretty. Can't wait to use those. The next thing that I have to show you guys is a Bougie Bundle pack. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to be calling this yet, but I wanted to do kind of like a Bougie value pack where if you maybe you're beginning or maybe you're just trying to really grow your collection, you can pick this up and you get enough Bougie for a full spread. So this does come in the sheets that are in the new foil bundle. So there are 8 Bougie boxes on each sheet, and you get 2 of each foil color. So there is gold, silver, rose, hollow, and then also sparkly hollow. Currently, we do not have sparkly hollow a la carte in the shop, but if you guys like this format of the 8 sheets better than the current 4, let me know, and we will offer them in the future. Whenever we sell out of the 4 sheets a la carte, we will offer them in the larger. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, but as of right now, they'll be available in a bundle at a great discount. So those will be available Wednesday as well. The next thing that's been highly requested is the Cyber Monday Mystery Extras. I've been waiting for everybody to get theirs, and y'all know the mail was super slow this year. At the end of last year and the beginning of this year, so I've been waiting for everyone to receive theirs. I still am holding a couple back just in case, who even knows, but I do have a reserve of all of the items that I'm going to be releasing, and this is the most, not the most. This has the least amount of items left. I think I have 10 or less. So I do anticipate these selling out fairly quickly. So this is the Aura Estelle Collab pouch, and it is in this gorgeous purple color with the pop of yellow, which I was super excited about. Tiki was like, I don't know about the yellow. And I was like, no, it's really good. It's so cute. I just think it brings something a little bit fun without it being the whole strap being yellow, because I think that'd be wild, but just brings a little bit of brightness with the silver hardware. And then you do have the silver on the inside. This is my personal one, so it might have some dirt on it, but I use it. And then you can also take this off, and if you want to attach a strap, you could use it as a crossbody. You can buy those on Amazon. I think also Aura Estelle might sell the straps too, so super, super cute. So again, I think we have 10 or less of those available. I have to double check before I list them. We will have the kit available as well on the premium mat, so I'll just go ahead and flip through this. It is in our older format, but it's still super cute, and a lot of you guys loved this collection, especially in the premium mat. The kit itself will come with the 2 extra sheets. These won't be a la carte or anything, and I will put the prices of the new items down below just so that you guys know for whenever you are getting ready for Wednesday. So we do have a lot of those, and then we also do have a lot of the foil bundle. So those, if you can't get on Wednesday at noon, I think it'll be fine, but I do know that the pouches probably will sell out very quickly. Then this is the mixed metal foil bundle that came with the collection. So this has the hollow and the sparkly hollow mix, which is so pretty. with 3 of these because it was a mystery, the circle icons, the food and drink, and then the deco. So that is in the twinkle format. So we will have those available as well. So those will be the Cyber Monday mystery remaining extras. So we'll be listing those again Wednesday at noon Eastern. These I do feel like I have a fairly good amount of. And then, like I said, these I do expect to sell out very quickly because, like I said, I think I have like 10-ish left. Let's go through the other kits for this week. I have 2 kits. So we have the Cyber Monday mystery plus these 2. So let's go ahead and go through these. The first one here is called Serenity, which I totally forgot. I don't even think I sneaked this like kit. The art came out. I think I like whipped it up and then I just kind of forgot. So oops, I'll sneak it tonight, I think. So I'm filming this on Sunday. So this is Serenity. It's a really pretty, for me, this is like totally June vibes, but I feel like it's a very anytime kit where it's just kind of really nice, like dark colors in the full boxes with that really pretty, like sage green and the, I guess it's like a lilac-y lavender color. Super pretty. So this is the extra boxes on the side here. I love these swans. They're so pretty. These colors are just a vibe. Don't they totally read like June, July, August? Super pretty. Or it could be a really pretty September kit too, honestly. But also if you wanted to use it in March, it'd be a vibe. So that is the kit. And then the kit also does come with the extra full boxes in the other skin tone there as well. And that freebie does come with the mini and the ultimate kit. So that is the Serenity kit. Let me go ahead and show you guys the mini kit format. This kit and the next kit do have mini kit options, but the mystery does not. It only comes in the ultimate. So this is the mini kit, full boxes, deco, glitter, the mini kit page, the bottom washi, and then again, the same freebie there as well. So that is the kit. Let me go ahead and show you guys the extras. So there is the 15mm strip if you want to add it on. There is the label sampler, and then there's also the fashion options if you want to add those on there. Super cute. So that is Serenity. Let's go ahead and go into the next kit, which is called Where To Next. This art is actually a little bit older, but I saw it recently and was like, this is actually really cute. Let's go ahead and use this. So it does also come in a mini kit, but I'll go through the ultimate. So I thought this was so pretty because it had a lot of different like landmarks, and I just thought it would make a really cute kind of like scene kit. So you have a lot of different like destinations on the front here, which I love, but you kind of have the same tones throughout. The ultimate kit has these extra 2 boxes here of just more landmarks, and these colors are so pretty with it. So then the deco is a bunch of just travel goodies. And again, I love these colors with that pop of pink. I think a spread of this is going to be so cute. So a really nice kit for like a week that you're dreaming of travel. Maybe you're planning travel or you are traveling. So love this. And I also think it looks so pretty with like gold or champagne lights or a mixed metal moment. You have the clear with black script freebie. And let me go ahead and show you guys the add-on options. So first things first is you have the 15mm strip if you want to add that on. There's also the label sampler if you want to add that on. There's the fashion if you want to add that on. And then also there is this sheet here which just has some more general travel boxes on it. So between these you can kind of make a lot of different kind of combinations and kind of make the kit your own. And I think that's super cute. So again, these are the full boxes in the ultimate. And then these would be in the mini. And then these are the add-ons. So you have the fashion, and then there's just the general travel boxes, which are so cute. But I love this kit. I think it's going to look really pretty laid out, and it has a very kind of wide array of usages. So that is Where To Next, which I think is so pretty. So let's just go ahead and recap this week's releases. So we do have Where To Next, which is a really pretty travel kit. There is also Serenity, which is kind of an anytime picnicky lake kit. We also do have the extras of Cyber Monday Mystery going live, the new Bougie Value Bundle, and then the spring quotes, the Mother's Day quotes, the 10 new Doodles, and then also the Scribble Prints vinyls. So that is everything for this week. I hope you guys like this week's new releases, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!